When do you use point slope versus slope-intercept form? Imagine you're trying to draw a straight line on a graph, but you only know some details about it. Do you know its steepness or just a point it passes through? Sometimes, figuring out the right way to write the line's equation can feel tricky. That's where understanding when to use point slope form or slope-intercept form comes in handy. Both are tools to describe lines, but each fits different situations. Let's start with the basics. When you have the slope of a line and a specific point on that line, you should use point slope form. This form is especially useful when you know a point that the line passes through, but not necessarily where it crosses the y-axis. The formula looks like this: y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Here, y1 and x1 are the coordinates of the point you know, and m is the slope. This form makes it easy to write the equation quickly without needing to find where the line hits the y-axis first. On the other hand, if you already know the slope and where the line crosses the y-axis, slope-intercept form is your best choice. This form is written as y equals m times x plus b. The b here is the y-intercept, or the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Because of this, slope-intercept form is great for quickly understanding how steep the line is and where it starts on the y-axis. It makes graphing straightforward since you can start at the y-intercept and use the slope to find other points. In practice, if you are given a problem where you know the slope and a point that is not on the y-axis, point slope form is your go-to. For example, if a line passes through the point 3, 4, and has a slope of 2, you can write the equation right away using point slope form. This saves you steps because you don't need to find the y-intercept first. Conversely, if you are told the slope is 3 and the line crosses the y-axis at 5, then slope-intercept form makes it simple. Just write y equals 3x plus 5, and you are ready to graph or analyze the line. This form is especially helpful when you want to see how the line behaves or compare it with other lines. Both forms can be converted into each other with some algebra. For example, you can turn point slope form into slope-intercept form by solving for y. Knowing how to switch between these forms is a useful skill in algebra because it helps you understand and work with linear functions more easily. To sum up, use point slope form when you know the slope and any point on the line. Use slope-intercept form when you know the slope and where the line crosses the y-axis. Both are important tools for graphing and understanding linear relationships. Mastering when and how to use each makes solving algebra problems smoother and helps you see the bigger picture of how lines work.